Okay guys, now I'm going to tell about the conditional statements in C language. What are conditional statements? They are going to execute if that condition is true. Okay, we have to give one condition. If that condition is true, it is going to execute that block which are we are giving the condition. Okay, in this conditional statement, they are going to be, I think, five conditions. They are if else, nested if else ladder, switch. What is if? Okay, if means if we are going to give one condition, and if the condition that we are giving in if is satisfied, means then the block inside the if is going to execute. Okay, the syntax is condition statement. Okay, now I'm going to ask one question. If I didn't put this curly braces here, if I put this curly braces here, the program is going to execute. Okay, that's we all know. What if I didn't put any curly braces here? What is going to happen here? Can anyone tell? If we didn't put any curly braces there, then also the first line is going to consider as the if condition statement. The statement after the if condition is going to be considered as if conditional statements, even though if we do not put any flower brackets. Okay, then after we put any statement 2 means this statement 2 is going to be considered as a under not a if block. Okay, this is nothing but if condition statement 1 statement 2. Okay, we can write this like this also and like this also. Can anyone write this? No. Okay, this is nothing but this. If you didn't put any flower brackets, the program is going to execute. Okay, what if we put the semicolon here? Did it give error or did it execute? No, it didn't going to give an error. This block is going to be execute like a normal code. This is not considered as a condition. It didn't give an error, but it is not going to include in the program. Okay, understand? Likewise, if else. If else means if you like the syntax will be the same. If we are going to give else the statement 3. Okay, if this condition is false, then the else block is going to execute. Okay, next, here also you can, if there is a if you want to write a single line statement, it is not mandatory to given flower brackets. Okay, if you want to print any 2 or 3 lines, that is going to be in the else block, then only you have to put the flower brackets. Okay, likewise the nested if means if block inside the if block. Okay, if block, if condition inside if condition. Okay, first the input we are giving is going to check the first condition. If this condition is going to be true, then the condition is going to check the other condition in the if. Okay, otherwise you can write else also. You can write else in this if condition and the for if condition also. For both of them you can write else. Okay, in this else block also, if you want to check any condition, then also you can write if here. That is called nested if. And if else, I am going to say now if else. If else means if else ladder means we are no ladders means we are going to use them to climb trees. Okay, then these ladders are used as if else. If we are going to give a condition here, the statement inside the block is going to execute, then if else. if else, okay, if else, then we have to give condition, then the block. Here likewise you can give how many times you can, and last you have to put else statement. Else is the last stage of the if else ladder. After else you cannot put if else. If you put else after if else, then it is going to give an error. Okay, next is switch statement. Switch, if you write here, and you have to mention the variable here, what is the variable you are going to take an address or input. You have to mention a variable on case 1. Case 1 means if you enter the 1 in the variable, then this block of code is going to execute. Then case 2, if you enter the 2 in the variable, then other block is going to execute. Likewise you can give how many cases you want. Thank you.